morning everybody. Today our topic is introduction to algebra. Algebra is the branch of mathematics which deals the operations addition, subtraction, multiplication, division among numbers and unknowns. What are numbers and unknowns? Numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and numbers, and whereas unknowns are alphabets A, B, C, D and so on. Numbers also called as constants and unknowns called as variables. Expression. What is an expression? For example, what is the expression using numbers? 5 plus 7, 8 minus 3, these are arithmetic expressions. And using variables x plus 5, y minus 8, these are the algebraic expressions. Arithmetic expression, which involves only the constants, whereas algebraic expressions involves constants and variables. Equation. An equation contains two expressions separated by equality symbol equal. Examples: 5 plus 4 equal to 6 plus 3, 2x minus 4 equal to x minus 2, where LHS and RHS are separated. Inequalities. If LHS not equal to RHS, then we get inequalities. Example: 5 plus 4 greater than 2, 9 minus 3 less than 11 minus 1, x plus 4 greater than 5. Solution of an equation. Solution of an algebraic equation is the value of variable for which LHS and RHS are equal. Let us see an example. Example: find solution of x minus 3 equal to 8. Solution. Given expression x minus 3 equal to 8, where x minus 3 is the LHS and 8 is the RHS. If x equal to 4, then 4 minus 3 equal to 1, that is not equal to RHS 8, therefore it is false. If x equal to 11, then 11 minus 3 equal to 8, that is equal to 8 RHS, that is true. Therefore, x equal to 11 is the solution of the equation x minus 3 equal to 8. Now trial and error method. The method of finding the value of the variable which makes the equation true by substituting different values of the variable in the given equation. Now exercise 7.3 of class 6. First question: identify which of the following are equations. 1. X minus 3 equal to 7. 4th, 5 plus m equal to minus 6. 5th, 2s minus 2 equal to 12. These are equations because of LHS and RHS are separated by equality symbol. Second question: write LHS and RHS of the following. X minus 5 equal to 6. In this, LHS equal to x minus 5, whereas RHS equal to 6. Second question: 4y equal to 12, where LHS equal to 4y and RHS equal to 12. Coming to third: 2z plus 3 equal to 7, where LHS equal to 2z plus 3 and RHS equal to 7. Now question number 3: solve the following equation by trial and error method. X plus 3 equal to 5. Solution: given equation x plus 3 equal to 5, where x plus 3 is the LHS and 5 is the RHS. By substituting, if x equal to 0, then LHS equal to 0 plus 3 equal to 3, that is not equal to RHS 5. If x equal to 1, then LHS 1 plus 3 equal to 4, that is also not equal to RHS 5. If x equal to 2, then LHS 2 plus 3 equal to 5, that is equal to RHS 5. That implies LHS equal to RHS, therefore x equal to 2 is the solution of the equation x plus 3 equal to 5. Now y minus 2 equal to 7. Given equation y minus 2 equal to 7, where y minus 2 equal to the LHS and 7 is the RHS. If y equal to 11, then LHS 11 minus 2 equal to 9, that is not equal to RHS 7. If y equal to 10, then LHS 10 minus 2 equal to 8, that is also not equal to RHS 7. If y equal to 9, then LHS 9 minus 2 equal to 7, which is equal to RHS 7. That implies LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, y equal to 9 is the solution of the equation y minus 2 equal to 7. Now, a plus 4 equal to 9. Solution. Given equation a plus 4 equal to 9, where LHS equal to a plus 4 and RHS equal to 9. If a equal to 1, then LHS 1 plus 4 equal to 5, that is not equal to RHS 9. If a equal to 3, then LHS 3 plus 4 equal to 7, that also not equal to RHS 9. If a equal to 5, then LHS 5 plus 4 equal to 9, that is equal to RHS 9. That implies LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, a equal to 5 is the solution of the equation a plus 4 equal to 9. Now, practice questions. Solve the following equations using trial and error method.